Unveiling the delicious secrets. Stuffed crust pizza explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a mouth-watering topic that's as tasty as it is interesting. Stuffed crust pizza. Whether you're a food lover or just curious about English culinary terms, this video is for you. Let's explore what makes stuffed crust pizza a unique and popular choice around the world. Stuffed crust pizza is a delightful twist on the traditional pizza. The key feature that sets it apart is its crust, which is filled with molten cheese. This innovative idea was introduced to make the outer edge of the pizza, often left uneaten, as appealing as the rest of the pie. Some variations may include other fillings, like meats or more cheese varieties, making the crust an integral part of the pizza experience. The concept of stuffed crust pizza was popularized in the early 1990s by a well-known pizza chain. It was a revolutionary idea that quickly captured the hearts and taste buds of pizza lovers everywhere. Since then, the concept has evolved with numerous variations, but the essence remains the same, transforming the crust from a mere handle or border into a delicious part of the pizza. There are several reasons why stuffed crust pizza has become a favorite. Firstly, it offers a surprise element. The joy of biting into what appears to be a regular crust, only to find it oozing with cheese. Secondly, it addresses the issue of food waste, as the stuffed crust ensures that the entire pizza, including the crust, is enjoyed. Lastly, it adds an extra layer of flavor and texture, making each pizza slice a multi-sensory experience. Creating stuffed crust pizza at home is simpler than it might seem. You'll need your usual pizza ingredients, plus extra cheese sticks or string cheese for the crust. The trick is to place the cheese along the edges of your rolled-out dough, then fold and seal the dough over the cheese before adding your toppings. This way, you get that gooey, cheesy goodness in every bite of the crust. We hope you've enjoyed this delicious journey into the world of stuffed crust pizza. It's more than just a pizza, it's an experience that combines creativity, flavor, and a bit of culinary magic. Whether you decide to try making it at home or order it from your favorite pizza place, you're in for a treat. Thank you for watching. And remember to keep exploring new words and dishes to expand both your vocabulary and your palate. See you in the next video.